sit down. Where things they go? Where you think they do? Go sit down.
Bros.
You think say me too? I don't get friend for outside. Where I go play with? Oh boy, sit down for house.
This is what they pay me
Talk say
now.
make everybody sit down for house. Make it observe. No go anywhere. No go anywhere. Stupid boy. Simple stay in your house. You know they hear. If you think say if you carry corona come give me for house, see, I go spray you. I go fumigate, I go spray you. They talk say make everybody sit down for house. Sit down for your house, see. Eh? You even want to go out, you don't use facial mask. Wear your facial mask. What you want? If you I go wash you. See head, I go clean head like over. You want to squeeze again, call you won't use your hand come. You want to like that? No, I go then they take say make they take.
This. Jesus!
Oh, better.
Jesus is Lord.
If they see you, they sneeze, they use hand. Again, this house, I go guarantee you. I go guarantee all your body. Stupid. If you better hold on.
Oh my
Stupid
God.
boy. Sit down. Make I go sit down. Make I dey watch you for this house.
This thing don't tire me. Oh. Just because of corona, everybody just sit down for house. Eh? Inside life now, everybody in a prisoner. Everybody's on lockdown.
Mama, be daddy. If them born your mama, your papa well, make it go out from this house. Why didn't got him a food jewelry? Now only me and you are we there for this house. Eh? Sit down. Now there you go, sit down. Now there you go, sit down.
Bros. Hey, Bros Congo. Where Bros Congo now? Look at yeah. Bros.
Run.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.